Say hello to this fully custom-built 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited Sahara. Lifted on 20-inch Havoc wheels and 37-inch tires, it's ready for all sorts of terrain. Featuring Rocky Ridge upgrades throughout, a light bar, and even a fully functional hood scoop with a 3.6-liter V6 engine underneath. And inside we have a very clean black leather interior. And you'll love using the automatic power steps for easy entry. Convenient features like auto start and a backup camera make your daily routine that much easier. With just 10,000 miles, you won't find a better Jeep Wrangler anywhere else. So come down to East Hills Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram to give her a test drive. And we have plenty of more vehicles to choose from. So give us a call at 844-277-0612.